Hey friends, so the other day I posted a video on testing strategies and it was all about cubing your stories where we circle the important information, underline the question, box keywords, and get rid of the extra information that we don't need. And today's strategy is to draw a picture of what you know, what the story is telling you, and do one little step at a time. Don't try to draw the whole picture. So let's say that the story was you had 10 colors. So let's say you had a half of a cup of each color and you are making sand art. So the question would be how many cups of sand did this person use? So I would draw 10, all 10 colors, like in circles. And in each circle, I would write 1/2. And then what I want them to be able to see at this point is you have 10 equal groups of something. And we have talked and talked and talked, and your teachers probably talked and talked and talked about groups of equal groups is multiplication. Now, can you add those? Absolutely. You can write down 1/2 10 times and add that, and that's fine. That works. Or you can say, I have 10 groups of 1/2. Well, then how many halves do you have? Well, I have 10. But that picture allows them to visualize what's going on. It was really quick. It was simple. And then once they've drawn that picture, they need to realize, oh, wait, 1/2 and 1/2 make one whole. So then I would connect each of those halves to count how many holes that we have. So drawing the picture one little step at a time is a huge benefit when it comes to taking a test. Stay tuned for more testing strategies.